In the United States today, there are about 4 million people with significant mitral regurgitation or leakiness of the mitral valve. Of those 4 million people, very few will be candidates for traditional surgical options.
The Mitraclip is the first and only transcatheter device that is used to repair the mitral valve. The goal of the Mitraclip is to reduce the amount of leakiness across the mitral valve, thereby reducing symptoms that are typically associated with heart failure, like shortness of breath, and potentially even mortality.
Here at Wellstar, we have probably the best structural heart team I've seen in the state, if not the whole Southeast. Everyone involved in the patient's care, their sole job is to take care of patients who are recovering from heart surgery, and that's very unique to what we have here at Wellstar.